All right, here we are on top of the community house roof, and we're showing the basic repair method. It includes a flex blade knife, a roll of 8-inch FlexSeal tape, and a can of the FlexSeal sealant. So basically, after locating a leak in the roof, we spray this FlexSeal on top of it to create kind of a gummy residue sealant, and then afterwards cut a square patch of the FlexSeal tape and then press that on top. So we just remove the backing. So after that's pressed down and sealed, you can see that there could be some buckles or some edges around the perimeter. So I'm going to show you a patch that's already been completed. You can see here are samples of what it looks like. So after that bulb of FlexSeal underneath here has been put on, and then the patch on top, you can see what he's doing is he's taking that FlexSeal and going around the perimeter and then creating another bond. So there's 3 levels of sealant. The first is the bulb of FlexSeal, the second is the 8-inch FlexSeal tape, and then the third is the FlexSeal sealant again, used as a perimeter. And what that'll do is get inside there and seal these off. So I'm going to pan back and show. So far, every square that you see here in this corner has been patched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Looks like there's 32 patches here. I'm going to pan over here to show you. The first step is to remove the water and ice. And so you can see what they've done is taken squeegees, rubber squeegees, and punched through the ice and scraped it off, and there's actually a drain right here, so all this ice will melt into that drain. And then the second step is to take the shop vac, suck all the water off the roof. You can see, dry it off with rags so that we can get the area dried up. And then the third and final step is to actually apply the patches. And that's how we temporarily repair the rooftop patches with the FlexSeal and the Flex tape. Show you example of the problem. The fasteners from the roof underneath this, over time, these dimples are the fastener heads. And so you can see they're just peppered all throughout the entire roof. But because the roof water pitches to this side, it puts a pressure on the roof membrane that begins to expose these, and you can see that some of these areas were already patched, and this is where even those old patches, water is starting to get underneath. And so we've got the worst part of it accomplished. Going to finish up the second part of it, which is basically the middle point of the roof over to the front corner, but it's not really leaking over here. The major leaks are over in this zone here off the back corner of the building.